Hi painting, welcome to week 2. This is just going to be a walkthrough of what we're doing this week. So this week, congratulations to our rainbow wall artists. I know quite a few of you got up there, so way to represent. There were just some fantastic covers and we want to make sure they get recognition. So if you got up there, yay! If you didn't, don't worry, you'll get there soon. Alright, this week we are going to sketch 5 new prompts. Since you're painting, the prompts are going to be up to you. If you're having problems coming up with what you're drawing every day, make sure to look on Pinterest or Google for drawing prompts. There are millions out there that will tell you different things that you can draw every day. Pick one that excites you, maybe something seasonal with Halloween coming up eventually, but we just want to draw every single day. This is not a sketchbook check week, so don't worry about taking pictures of your sketches. That won't be until next week. And we are also going to choose our artist for your own artist spotlight and to become aware and involved in the art world and art history nationally and internationally. Great job last week. You guys chose fantastic artists and most of you turned it in on time. And we're going to continue to master art skills. This week we're going to be doing a transfer practice and a black marker painting. For those who are new into painting this week, this is a slide to explain how to do sketches. And this will be a slide on how to do that Freaky Friday or that artist spotlight assignment. And so the directions are going to be in there. These slides are going to stay relatively the same throughout the school year, so there's never going to be any curveballs. Once you've gotten a habit, I want to make sure that we keep that. It's nice to get into a routine that every week you'll have sketches, every week you'll have a Freaky Friday, and every week we'll have an art project of some sort going on. So this week we have 2 things to turn in. You have a transfer practice. Transferring is the adult cousin to tracing. Most of my students who've had me before, you've already done this. I just want to warm up our art skills again and show me that you remember how to do it. I've included a video on how to transfer in the week 1 post as well. So if you need a refresher, it's right there along with the worksheet. After that, we are going to jump right into black ink paintings. For this, you are going to need a Crayola, specifically Crayola. It can't be rose art, it can't be crazy art, it has to be Crayola. Because of the certain ink consistencies and the ingredients within the ink themselves, or else it won't really work. And so this week we're going to be practicing both methods of creating a painting with just a Crayola marker, a paintbrush, and some water. So you're going to try both methods that I'll explain to you in the video, labeled black ink practice or black ink painting. And both of those methods, one is going to be called direct and one is going to be called pooling. And I want you to create a carefully detailed piece of a subject chosen by the student, and we're going to work on timeliness and professionalism as well. And professionalism, I really want to get in the habit of cropping our photos, so I don't want to see any background in your photos. No desks, no cat hair, no blankets, no couches. So really crop it in so it's just that photo, and I want it to be the right brightness as well. You should be taking your pictures near an open window in broad daylight, and so there's not too much direct light, but just enough that your colors will look nice and bright and happy, and that'll just give you a better photo every single time. So we have a lot to do this week. We have our practice, we have our transfer practice, we have our sketches and our Freaky Friday. If you need help with any new methods or you have any supply questions, you can first always try to email me at mwilliams@alaschools.org, or you can go ahead and come to tutoring. That is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. And the tutoring information for the Google Meet and the nickname of that meeting will be in the important links and resources up at the top of your Google Classroom. See you guys!